tired of the earth, yeah. Know your worth, and sometimes just know you gotta come first. You need pretty girls, nice life problems. Where you tryna go, I'ma solve them.
Good morning, Ivy gang. It's a crazy morning. It is 7:41. Anyway, today is gonna be another long day vlog, and I'm starting it off looking a mess. I'm gonna meet up with Saidi and Chilala, So Gang TV. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna go take a bath and get ready. Yeah, because I have to be ready at 8, so I literally have 20 minutes to take a bath, get some food, and leave. Nyemba just texted me too because she just posted it on her story. This is so sad. This is so sad. This has really hurt me. Yo, I'm gonna Black Panther is a movie I am gonna play like for my kids one day. Like, it's so crazy. Cancer, man, cancer. Guys, so if you can't hear me, the generator is on, but so I've been ready, honestly. It's 9:15 now, so apparently some people were late, so it's delayed everything. I don't know if you can hear me with this generator on, but it still hasn't hit me that Chadwick is gone. Like, bro, what is going on?
Chimula. Yo, Chimula, what you cooking? Hey.
We just go here, guys. Bro, that guy is sexy. Where are they? Hi! We're both vlogging.
What's up, guys? Hi, Julia.
What's up? We about to die today.
Oh shit, I haven't been good. I'm here. Hey, Abby gang, what's poppin'?
Hey, So Gang, what's poppin'? What's poppin', So Gang?
Are you ready? I think you're in good hands. We're gonna be this. I think.
Guys, look how pretty this looks. Look how pretty it looks.
15 minutes
It's
ago.
a man's car. Shit. Even a woman can drive it. That's why if I was brave enough, I would drive it. We gon' die. everyone's stopping for my car. Like, everyone's just like, hey, O'Malley, what you driving today? Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's split. That's split.
This shit is beautiful. This shit is beautiful. What? This is so cool, guys. I wish you would be able to like get in here and like experience this as well. Like, sheesh. This, guys. I'm about to get in here, guys, and go for a drive. I'm gonna be in the passenger seat, but like, shit's gonna be crazy.
I don't redline this thing. Push it in.
I'm scared.
No, not like that. Then Ivy, I'm gonna get your reaction video. Okay.
Okay. So,
Seatbelts.
Then how are you moving?
Going up and we're coming down, so you can take a video this side.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll be somewhere. He's
Assalamu
gonna pass
alaikum.
here, so we can stand somewhere to get that drive.
No, I'm not leaving him behind. I'm just taking her for a drive-by. Where are you?
Get that.
They're doing a vlog and stuff here.
She's already scared. It's just the car. Yeah, it's just like
Alright, I've got different map settings to show your normal map, a tune map, and an aggressive map. But I don't run aggressive maps, I just run the normal one.
okay.
We'll run that, cancel, just to show you. Good daily as well, so you can use this car on a daily basis. You can use it, it changes gears normally, it just moves lovely. And then when you do want to make it aggressive,
It's good.
touch of a button.
Yeah.
And as a normal comfortable drive, your daily, you can do this.
Yeah.
So the thing is, we need to time it in such a way that at the robots, we are the ones that are first.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. So I'll just wait here.
For everyone to staring at the car, yeah.
So yeah, now we are here.
Okay.
Okay, this shouldn't be done on normal roads, but it's just that we don't have anywhere else to film your vlog. So
Yes. Do I close the window?
well, you can leave it open. You get some wind going, but yeah.
Alright, that's fast. That's fast.
We'll do a second run on the.
Yeah. That's really fast.
Look at this road just. Ready?
Ready? Woohoo! Oh wow! That was good.
A short
I
run.
love the adrenaline. The adrenaline it gives.
It does, huh?
It does.
So there we are. We can just...
Guys, that was really dope. This is the place I'm at, guys. If you wanna pull up, I'll show you the inside in a bit. But yeah.
Hey, that's it. It's enough for today. Another day, boss.
That was really fun. I was like, okay, hold on.
I can imagine.
I'm like, look at me. Hold on.
I know exactly how she
I feel like I was driving it. Like you feel the power.
Bro.
Yo, that it's crazy.
And the brakes.
The brakes are mad. Did you see how we brake?
Yeah. I saw
I was like, we going down. Okay, not really. I trusted him. It was chill.
Oh my God.
It was really chill. That was so crazy.
So you did get the reaction?
I got it.
I know how she feels because I also got to ride one time.
Yeah.
It was awesome. It was awesome, right?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Did you scream?
I was like, wow.
Yeah.
I was like, wow. I need to see the footage on the camera too, and I'm gonna show them mine. Yeah, so yeah, guys.
Nothing to see your reaction, eh?
Shout out to him.
The adrenaline, especially like when there was a stupid truck that
Yeah, we saw it.
right here,
Yeah,
right?
he was going to continue going.
Yeah,
But it was worth it, huh?
it was worth it. It was worth waking up early for. Like, it was worth it.
It's a GT.
I just had to. I just had to. That was crazy. So this is the place, guys. This is the place. Home stuff. These are samples of like cabinet stuff. But look how pretty this looks. Thank you. Yeah, that was crazy. Thank you. So yeah, guys, this is the place. I'll put all the details of the location right here on the screen so you can check it out. But I have to say bye to my baby. Bye, baby. It was a good like 1 minute with you. And I just want to tell you how awesome you are. Until I see you again. I don't know if I'll have this experience again in my life, but I'm gonna name you Daisy. I don't know, you look like a daisy. So yeah, Daisy. Thank you, Daisy, for the experience. I'll never forget you.
1 minute, right? How long was the ride?
1 minute. Not 1 minute. It was like 10 seconds up to here. Daisy.
And now she wants to drive. That is awesome.
It's Daisy. One day I'm gonna drive it. Like Daisy.
I'll give you a ride with mine.
Daisy, baby. One day I'm gonna drive you.
Yeah, bro. Like,
It might not be you, and I'm sorry it might not be you, but like,
the thing, once I send you video, that's
it's alright, Daisy.
like, bro, we got this nigga on board. I'm sure.
Hey.
Are you catching who I'm vlogging?
Yes. Do double vlogging. For hitting me up on very short notice,
Our
guys.
vlogs
Like,
happen quick, it's so short notice.
very short notice. Like, I literally had like 20 seconds to process what I was about to do.
But
So,
if you agree to it, just do stuff like this.
yeah, being spontaneous like that. So that was great. Thank you.
Go back.
Alright, guys, so we just left Saidi and Chilala. Just left them. They got off, but I'm about to get off real soon. But I'm gonna continue the vlog later on in the afternoon. It's now like 11, so yeah, that was really dope. Who's calling me? Hey, hello guys. Oh, I'm sweating. It's hot.
It's hard, right?
It's hot. How many degrees is it? Hold on, wait. Nah, this weather is on steroids. It's 29 degrees, guys. Like, that's crazy. So guys, Livingstone and CJ just dropped some new music. I'm gonna play this song real quick for you guys to hear. This one's called A Lot.
Today, he was just talking about that.
The beat is fire. The beat is fire.
I ain't talking pills, nigga ready like paving the way to the top of my hill. Doing what? Need me a pretty to witness and while making moves on the lawn, niggas talking a lot. All of my niggas on, niggas know I ain't that nigga that's looking like fly. Look at my kind
It's out everywhere, guys.
Get pot trying to flash day, I fuck around and get caught. Boom. Hang around, lot of real shooters, easy gon' pop out till I say stop. Through my hip right through your big boy T, a smoking trap. Yeah.
Alright guys, so it's out. Go check it out. The link will be in the bio or in my description box. Go check it out. And yeah guys, I'll be back later when I continue this vlog. So yeah, bye guys. I'm bored. I had to wait here. I'm waiting for these guys to come and get me. It feels weird vlogging in public, but whatever. But I'm waiting for these guys to come and pick me up. Literally, it's been like, I've been here since, it's been half an hour that I've been here waiting. And I hate waiting, guys. Like, I hate waiting. Oh, I hate waiting. And my phone is on 5%. Like, I'm bored. I just got off the phone with Jedi as well. He wants us to link up because we've been planning to link up. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get today done. Like, I feel like I have so much to do today. It's gonna be crazy. But I'm waiting for these guys. But then again, at 2 p.m. I have to meet up with Mix Kasamwa to do like our video. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it today. I don't know. I wish I could split myself. But yeah guys, what do you think about the car? Like, that was such an awesome experience. Like, I was at work yesterday and Saidi hit me up talking about like, hey, do you wanna, you know, do this? And I'm like, yeah, why not, you know? And then I checked out like videos. I think that's what like got me scared, because I watched like other people's like reactions in the passenger seat in the GT-R, except we didn't really go for a drive. I just like experienced it like a little bit, but it was so amazing, guys. Like, I wanna get into more sports cars now. Like, it's so fun. It's so fun. Okay, so finally I am with these people I've been waiting for. After they made me wait. I'm sure you
What's
can
good,
figure it out.
What's going on? I don't know what Millie's complaining about. We weren't late at all. We're on time. It was the time.
I was just early.
I
was early. Alright, I was early.
Yeah, but anyways, what's good, man? It's your boy, Ikko Ace.
Hey.
Word.
And
What's up? What's good? What's happening?
go stream pause right now.
Stream that shit right now.
Go stream that shit
Follow
right
us right
now. Go follow them right now.
Manja swap.
So
Oh, bro.
yeah guys, I will be back later, I guess. Guys, we are at the best spot
You got a mask like
in Roma.
What? Hey, and I do it again. She got to look at the what? All night long. Let me see that thong.
Do it.
No more money.
You could imagine.
Do you know any other way to perform that?
So yeah, what's good everybody? We are vlogging from the one and only Chicken, located at Huntsville Court. If you haven't tried Chicken, I need to tell you it's one of the best eating spots in the city. Cheap, the food is amazing. They give it bulk, like you cannot regret it.
Yeah.
So yeah, Chicken. Yeah, I endorse that. Even the water is branded. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Even the water tastes like chicken, man. Like.
Get your friend. Get your friend. Get your friend.
They only brought him here.
I mean, all we're gonna do right now. I'm dead.
Maybe like it's
I'm waiting for this food, honestly. I had to get these guys the chicken nuggets because those are fire.
Sleeping on them.
And they need to try it, so.
No, but we order the same thing every time we come in.
I also order the same thing. So I'm also gonna try something new, but the nuggets. Oh,
but we'll try your stuff. We'll see.
The nuggets. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get back, show you guys the food, and we're just gonna hang out really, and that's the end of the day. So I'm gonna end this vlog like pretty soon as well, like after the food. So yeah, guys.
And I just always want to take the time to say, pause this out.
Yeah, go stream pause.
Go stream it. Millie will add the links in the description. And subscribe to our page, please. Do it for me. Do it for everyone.
Let's get to 3K.
Do it for the game.
Do it for the game.
Chicken, hit us up. Like look at all this. Look at how we're hyping you up. Like, hit us up. Let's do something.
Yo. Call us.
You see?
Call us.
Call them and then call me.
Water and everything.
So yeah, chicken. I'm really rubbing it in your face. Like, you guys, Zambezi Road, Foxdale, or as most people know this place as Sky Bar. Sky Bar is on top. Right here, you'll find chicken. Guys, this right here is a must. Okay,
This is the
it's
sauce.
a must. You have to add that in there. You have to add that in there, like that. Woo!
And it's never too much.
It's never too much. Like, just keep going.
That's why I came to this, because you keep eating.
They say they're falling down, man.
No, man. You know? Put some in the nuggets as well, like everywhere. Even on the side.
You good? Alright? You good?
Yeah. Where's your water?
That is too much. You got a beautiful heart. When you gon' let me in it, cause it's looking like it's gon' take a minute. Yeah. Before you call it off, baby. Don't mind me, I'm just saying.